Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. This is the class of Standard 1. The lecture of mathematics is going to be started. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. The thought is, a child without education is like a bird without wings. My dear students, have you ever seen a bird without wings? Do you think if a bird is not having the wings, what can it do? How can it survive? It is not possible to survive without wings for a bird. As well, if a child is not getting proper education, it can't be survived in this society. So, start being educated. Never stop learning. Best of luck to all my dear tiny students. Again everyone, welcome to my class. As you all know that FA3 exam is going to be started. Let me inform you about syllabus of FA3 exams. Chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. Chapter number 8, measurement. Tables 6 and 7. This is the syllabus of FA3 exams. So my dear students, as we have already completed our syllabus of FA3 examination, Chapter 7, Chapter 8 and tables 6 and 7. Again I am here with a revision of chapter number 7 so that you all can memorize the whole chapter again. If you are having any doubts regarding this chapter, it can be clear and your performance becomes well during examination. Everyone, get ready with your essential notes as you all have to write with me. First of all, write the heading, revision. Chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. SUBTRACTING, subtracting. GREATER, greater. NUMBERS, numbers. I am waiting for some time so that all the students can copy the heading properly. Revision of chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. Completed everyone? Let's see what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to make revision of problem sums. Everyone, write the heading. Solve the following word problems. Write the heading properly. SOLVE, solve. THE, the. FOLLOWING, following. WORD, word. PROBLEMS, problems. You all have to write with me, as this is the revision. If you can copy with me, you can memorize well. Problem solving. Party time. My dear students, these all problem sums are on the base of a party. Have you ever visited birthday party? Very good. It's very enjoyable thing, na? What you have seen during this party? Pastries, birthday cakes. Have you ever won birthday cake? Very nice. Girls and boys enjoying the party a lot. Snacks, dance, candles. So let's see what is present in this party sums. Everyone write down the first sum. There are 28 pastries. Spelling of pastries, PASTRIES. There are 28 pastries. Twenty were eaten. EATEN, eaten. How many are left? Make a question mark. Answer. Dash pastries are left. Prepare a equation like this. 28 minus 20. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place, my dear. Let's see how can we solve this. First of all, start solving from ones place. 8 minus 0, we get number 8. 2 minus 2, we get 0. You have to write the answer on this way. Write 0 at tens place, 8 at ones place. 28 minus 20, we get 8. Completed everyone? Now see, this place is still empty. We have to write the answer in this box. 8 pastries are left. There are 28 pastries. 20 were eaten. How many are left? After solving the sum, we can say that 8 pastries are left. I hope you all have copied the sum properly. Sum number 2. Look, which image is present in the sum? The image of balloon, which is the most important part of any of the party. Am I right? Write down sum number 2. There are 55 balloons. Spelling of balloons: BALLOONS. I am waiting for you so that you all can copy it properly. There are 55 balloons. Fifteen burst. BURST, burst. How many are left? Make a question mark. Answer: dash balloons are left. After completing this writing part, write the sum here. 55 minus 15, 15. Minus 15. Let's see how to solve it. 5 minus 5, we get 0. 5 minus 1, we get 4. Our answer is 4040. Here in this blank also write the answer 4040. There are 55 balloons. 15 burst. How many are left? After solving the sum, we can say that 40 balloons are left. Is everyone has completed? Look, my dear students, as this is the revision, so you all have to write with me. Done, everyone? Look, which image is present there? What is this? Who tells me what is this? Yes, this is the birthday cap. So, in this sum, we are going to discuss about birthday cap. Sum number 3. There are 48 caps. CAPS caps. "21 get tone. TORN ton full stop. How many are left? Make a question mark. Answer: dash caps are left. I am waiting so that all the students can copy the sum properly. There are 48 caps. "21 get tone. How many are left?" Answer: dash caps are left. Write the sum 48 minus 21. While writing the sum, keep one thing in your mind, that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. Done, everyone? Let's solve the sum. 8 minus 1, we get 7. 4 minus 2, we get 2. 48 minus 21, we get 27. Here in this blank, write down number 27. Now I am waiting for a while so that you all can copy the sum properly. There are 48 caps. "21 get tone. How many are left?" After solving the sum, we can say that 27 caps are left. Sum number 4. Now look, which image is present there? You can see a boy wearing yellow color clothes and yellow color cap. What does it means by? It means in this sum we are going to discuss about the boys present at the party. Now write sum number 4. There are 36 boys, B-O-Y-S, boys, at the party. Full stop. "24 go home." How many are still at the party? Question mark. Answer. Dash boys are still at the party. It says that at party there comes 36 boys. After some times 24 go at the home. Now how many boys are still remaining at their party? First of all, everyone complete the writing part. Complete the whole question. Write the sum. 36 minus 24. 36 minus 24, 24. Everyone has completed. Let's solve the sum. 6 minus 4 we get 2. When 3 minus 2 we get 1. 36 minus 24 we get 12. Write number 12 in this box also. 12 boys are still at the party. There are 36 boys at the party. "24 go home." How many are still at the party? After solving the sum, we can say that 12 boys are still at the party. I hope everyone has completed their writing part now. Now see, which image is present there? The image of a girl wearing blue dress, having a smiley face. That means in this sum we are going to discuss regarding the girls. Write sum number 5. There are 57 girls, GIRLS, girls at the party. Full stop. "36 had apple juice." APPLE, apple. JUICE, juice. Full stop. The rest had orange juice. ORANGE, orange. JUICE, juice. How many had orange juice? Full stop. Answer: dash girls had orange juice. What does it says? That in that party there are 57 girls. Out of these 57 girls, 36 girls had apple juice. The rest means remaining girls had orange juice. We have to find out the number of girls had orange juice. Now I am waiting for a while so that first of all each and every one can copy the sum properly. Copy the question first. Write properly, put punctuation, full stop, question mark. Leave some space between two words. Write the sum: 57 minus 36. Let's solve the sum. 7 minus 6, we get 1. 5 minus 3, we get 2. 57 minus 36, there remains 21. 21 girls had orange juice. My dear students, this was the revision of problem sums from chapter number 5. I hope everyone completed with me at this time. Note down the homework. Your homework is write word problems which we have completed today one time in your Fabo. At your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye everyone.